Euro USD this week has made some progress towards to the upside, so we can see on the market what has happened. This week, these 5 candles here, the last week has ended with this bullish candle. The market has managed to break above 1.06736. Then on a Monday we can see some kind of a bullish pin bar formed here, where the price has managed to open the price above the close price on the Friday. Let me zoom in a little bit. Here is the close price and here is the open price, so we have a gap between the close and the open price. So this means that the market over the weekend has managed to make a move a little bit up, and it has opened above 1.06736, which is indication that the bulls have made some progress against the sellers, and they have managed to break above this current resistance area. So we can see that the price on a Monday has managed to go a little bit up and then go down, where the price has tried to return back inside this indecision range area. But the price has found strong support from the buyers, and they took the price above this area. On a Tuesday, the price has managed to move to the 1.07825, where we can see that this week of this candle has touched this sellers area, and that is the supply zone, and the price has managed to close above these 3 candles. Close prices, you can see it here, which is an indication that the price has strong buying pressure underneath it, and it will continue to move a little bit up. So after this, the price has touched this supply zone. We should wait what will happen. Will the price return back down, or it will continue to move up? We can see that on a Wednesday the price has managed to go up, find a great buying pressure, and the area here, which is a supply zone where the sellers are waiting, and it is a resistance area, and it is also a confluence of resistance, because we have this uptrend resistance trend line, and we have this, which is a monthly resistance area. The price managed to go above and close the day above, where we can see that the price touched 1.08846, and it has touched this monthly trend line, which is currently acting as a resistance. We can see that in the past, the price when price has tried to reach above this area, the price could not find a great buying pressure here to push the price above, but the price returned back down. Then in the next attempt, the price has managed to go up, but the price then continued to return back down. We can see that currently we have similar situation where the price has managed to break above this area, which is the supply zone, and then reach this stronger supply zone, which is also visible here in the past, but then the price returned back down. We can see, let's put this one here, a text label. We'll put this one a pin bar, because visibility only on days, this is okay, because we have a pin bar here right on the supply zone that is suggesting that the price will continue to move down because of this strong selling pressure. This strong buying pressure that took the price up, now the selling pressure has returned the price back down. We can see that strong supply zone here, where the buyers that took the price from this area here, which is a support and demand zone, they took the price above, and this is 1.05 area, and this is 1.08 and 1.09. This is 400 pips. So the buyers have exited from their entries. They have exited here, probably probably already here at this point, and then the sellers have took over and pushed the price down. This has happened on a Thursday. On a Friday we can see that the price has continued to move down, returning back inside this small area between 1.06736 and 1.07825. This breakout to the upside, now we have returning the price back down, so this could be a false breakout to the upside, at least for now, because after the price breaks above strong resistance or support, in this case a resistance, we need to have additional candle in the same direction. This one is against the direction to be a breakout. So this is some kind of a false breakout, and the price returning back down, and we have here a strong bearish pin bar that is suggesting that the price will continue down. And the strong bearish pin bar right here on the strong supply zone, where we have a monthly and a weekly resistance area, and currently here it is also a monthly resistance, horizontal resistance. This has a huge impact what could happen in the future. Let's stretch this one a little bit up. Just a minute, I need to zoom out a little bit so I can see where to stretch it, and a little bit up. Okay, so this will do. And what we can see that the price did not close below these prices here, and also below these prices, which is also a critical level. In the previous analysis I have mentioned about this possible breakout to the upside and the price reaching this 1.07825, but the price has found enough strength to push the price above this confluence of resistance on a daily time frame. Now let's look what has happened on a weekly time frame, which is very important also in this case. In the previous analysis, in the previous week, this was the candle, which was indecision candle, but the price was rising up. So the candles has closed the week here as a bearish small candle, but this week the price has closed as a bullish candle. We can see that the price has managed to go above and close this week at 1.076, where the critical level was here 1.073, which was mentioned in the previous week analysis. Now the price has gone above 1.0725 and 1.08846, which is showing a strong bullish pressure. So we can see that the price has reverted this bearish several weeks, and now it's returning to the bullish. But this one, 1.07825, is very critical, because you can see in the past that this one here was very critical, and this is a supply zone where the sellers are waiting and they will prevent the price to reach higher levels. Now currently the price is also here, where the price has managed to go above, which is a great indication for the bulls, but now there is still some path they need to cross, and that is 1.07825 on a weekly time frame. Now let's see how this looks on a monthly time frame. This month has one more week, so we will see how this month will end. The previous month has ended as a bearish candle, which is a reaction on this strong supply zone where the sellers are waiting, and also where the bulls have exited, since they have pushed the price for 4 months from 1.096 up to 1.09, which means 1000 pips. So now after the prices returned back down, bouncing from this supply zone, now it has bounced from here where the buyers are waiting, which is a demand zone, and now the price has returned back up. We can see that critical levels on a monthly time frame is also 1.07825. But let's see if this month ends and closes above 1.073 price, which is critical level here, and then the price needs to reach this area, which is 1.09. You can see it here, and also this one, 1.086. So this is the area for the price on a monthly time frame critical for the next week. If the price manages to go above 1.086 and 89, which means the price closes above 1.09 on a monthly time frame, this will suggest that the bulls have returned back and the price could continue above, reaching above 1.09 and reaching this 1.11. But to happen that, we need to see on the weekly and a daily time frame how the situation looks and what could happen. But this is on a monthly time frame for the next week critical level. If the price returns back down, and that means below this area, which is 1.067, this will indicate that the bulls do not have enough strength to push the price higher, but also it could be indication that we will have some kind of indecision range area for the price, because if the price returns back below 1.058, and also 1.053, which means if the price returns back at 1.05, this will mean that the sellers are back inside and the price could continue further down on a monthly time frame, reaching 1.03920, which is an area of a demand zone. So for the next week, it is critical on a monthly time frame how the situation will look. Now let's turn on weekly time frame to see what could happen in the following week. Just a minute to stretch this a little bit up. For the month, on the downside, the critical level is this one, 1.069, also 1.07. If the price stays above this price level in the next week, this will indicate that the bulls have strength and they will prevent the price to go down. But if the price goes down and closes below 1.07 and especially 1.04, we can see this price level here, which is a critical, and also here it is an area between these two prices. This will mean that the price could return back down to 1.058 and also 1.05 price level, which is the lowest level in the last several weeks. If the price continues to go down and reaches this, then we will see what will happen. Will the price continue to move down and close below this price on a weekly time frame, or it will stay? But if the price continues to move up, and as it looks right now, there is a strength that the price could find a support right here around 1.07 and also 1.068. This is a demand zone. This could mean that the price will manage to go above. The next level on a weekly time frame where the price could stop is the area here, where you can see it between these candles, and that is the area 1.08. And the next one where the price could stop is 1.08846 or 1.09 price level, which is a great supply zone. So this will be a third attempt for the price to break this area. First one was here, these 3 weeks, then this one in this week, and then there will be probably a chance for the price to test for the third time. So if the price continues to move here and reaches this area again for the next week, this will mean that there is a high chance that the price will continue and stay above 1.07 area and find a support to attack another time and break out above to reach 1.098. On the daily time frame, we can see that we have a bearish pin bar this week that took the price down, and the next level where the price could stop is this area here. And we can see that the wick of this candle has returned back down, but it has returned also back up where the price has closed at 1.075. The critical level on the daily time frame is this one here, but this is a critical level for the bulls. When the price is moving up, this is a critical level, but when the price is going down, area here, which is currently 1.071, is a critical one, because you can see when the price is going down, there is another level which is stopping the price to go down, and then you have another level where the price is going up. This is the first one and this is the second one. I'm not counting the wicks, I'm counting only the bodies. So in this case, area here 1.071 is a critical, where the price has reached this price level, and then if the price stays above this area, above 1.07 in the next week, this will mean the next level where the price needs to hold is this one, 1.06736. This is a demand zone where the bars are waiting, and it is a great support. So for me, I will wait until the price makes a move. There is a probability high chance that the price will continue to 1.07 and maybe a week to 1.06736, and I will see how the price is behaving right here, because currently the price is outside of this uptrend. You can see it here, and the price is returned back down, but this is a support that needs to hold and push the price again above to continue to have a bullish scenario. As it looks right now, the market looks as a bullish on a weekly time frame, and I'm seeing a daily small return with this bearish pin bar. So this is a critical level for the price to stay above 1.06736 If the price goes below that, then we are still inside indecision range area, and it is good to wait until the price finds its way outside of this range. This was a small attempt, but there is high probability that the price will continue to move up. And it is also a final week for this month, so it is also important for the market how the market will look in the next month, and that is the April. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.